On the proposed Maintenance of Racial Harmony Act, Home Affairs and Law Minister Shanmugam says the law is not the complete solution. Enforcement will only come in when someone's conduct becomes unacceptable. In an interview with MediaCorp, he adds that the law will provide a framework which has policies that encourage people to respect each other.
A significant part of it has got to be that people, when they have transgressed, you focus on the transgression, see how it can be counted, how can we change their mind, maybe go and do community service. You say this to an Indian, okay, maybe you do X weeks of community service with the Indian community, or vice versa. And then hopefully you will better understand, and you're given an option. You either do that, or you can spend the time in, some weeks in jail. Then these are all possibilities. And it's a way of trying to encourage better bonding. As I said, the law has got to only come in when you step outside of it.
Mr. Shanmugam also spoke about the upcoming workplace anti-discrimination laws, which will be passed on based on existing tripartite guidelines. He says this will give these principles legislative teeth, but the new approach and framework have to largely follow current principles.
Because you don't want to create a legal situation out of every employment dispute. That is not good. But you need to give it legislative teeth. That was the PM's view, so that people are aware. It already works well, but give it added teeth. That's the thinking behind the anti-discrimination law.